name of your company?
We are Dongyang Yongyi.
And which kind of product do you do?
We make TPR and the value items special for the valley bubbles.
Which year were you born?
2020.
What's the story of your company?
At first we make TPR items only, and after that we found with science want more toys for them and want toys with different function for them. So we create the value items together with TPR items together.
Toys. Can you show me your best product?
Yes, of course. This one is the new we have showed in this season. They were very cute animal coat, and when you squeeze the bubble, it comes out. It's very cute.
Yeah, and it's super good for kids, but also for adults because it can be also like to release stress, relax, and everything.
Yes. This one is also the new with cubit and or some round shape with ear or without ear, and with animal printing. The printing is okay. Anyone will okay, and with bling price, and also can squeeze out. Yes.
And this one is also like a keychain.
Yes, also can with a keychain.
So you can put on a bag or even a phone. I mean, like it has a lot of see, you can have a keychain.
Yeah. So we have the animal, different animal, the big size, and the cake, sweet cake with colorful color.
It's very nice and it's very small, so it's also comfortable.
And also this one is some we already sell large quality to EU market. Yeah. And this one already sold large quantity and a Halloween designs, and also can squeeze.
What are your market usually?
To EU.
European countries.
Yes, European countries. Yes, we always source them to European countries, and most of them already have a test for them. Each one have test for them.
And which kind, can you customize those if they ask, if the customer will ask to customize, to make another shape, for example?
Yes, of course. We also can make various designs. Yes.
So they can also customize. And what is the minimum order?
For this one, you can have 24,000 for one cycle. You can mix them together.
Oh, you can mix, so not just have once, but you can mix all the products together, and as long as you get 20,000.
Yes, 24.
24,000.
Yes, 24,000.
So how can they contact your company?
The e-catalog we have for this. For all items we have.
They can go to Alibaba to buy it.
Yes.
So they can buy on Alibaba to buy it, or you can send an email to sale@nicezc.com.
Yeah.
Or you can have them on WeChat.